Let's take a look at how to create some basic assignment submission drop boxes so that students can submit any work that you want to grade. So let's click on modules again. And under the assignments module that we created, let's click on the plus sign. And under assignment, click new assignment. And then whatever the name of your assignment is, case study 1 could be case study 2. And let's do okay. Alright, so now let's click on case study 1. And here's what it looks like. So now you want to edit. So in this box, you'll add your instructions, whatever they may be. So to upload that template, you just go to Files and upload a new file. Choose File. Open and upload. There we go. And so under points, you go to 50. And under submission type, this will be a file upload, so choose online and file upload. You can also have them use a website or do a text entry, which is a text box, or media recording, which is the Canvas inline recorder. If you're having students submit a Kaltura video through Kaltura, you'll need to select text entry because that's the only way to submit it. Here are your plagiarism tools, which is turn it in. It's up to you as to whether you want to turn it on or not. And then leave this to assign to everyone. And then add your due date, whenever that may be. And if you want it to close on this date, you'll need to do the until. And you can also give it an availability window if you want. That's up to you. And then, so once you have that, hit save and publish. And let's copy this. And you can also add a rubric, but we're not going to do that, an official Canvas rubric. So if you're interested in learning more about that, please let us know and we'll teach you how to do that. Let's go back to modules. And let's open case study 2. Go to edit. And I'm going to paste what I did, review chapter 3 and 4. Study 2. Oops. All right. All right. Go back to modules. And click on topic paper report. Edit. So you'll add your directions there and your so let's see. I'm just making this up on the fly. So 15, 15, 70, 80. Let's see, 30. Okay, that's 100. Just want to make sure. then online and file upload. And in this situation, I want them to be checked for plagiarism. So obviously, you would actually upload the real one if you have one here. I'm just renaming it for expediency. So I want to use plagiarism here. Turn it in, turn it on, turn it in. Okay, that's what I want. Then obviously set up your due dates. And obviously you can have different due dates. I'm just doing this for simplicity's sake, keeping them the same. Let's go back to modules. And one thing you'll want to remember to do on your modules page is to make sure that your modules are published, because if they're not published, then students can't see the content. So make sure you do that.